Nigerian army said on Wednesday that its troops conducted clearance operations against bandits and kidnappers in Kano State, but no arrest was made. The Army's Director of Public Relations, Brigadier General Mohammed Yerima, said in a release that the troops were at the notorious Fagot Forest where they blocked the routes of the bandits and kidnappers terrorizing the northwest region. The Army's operations in the northern hemisphere is in contrast with the southeast where its personnel had continued to shoot dead and arrest scores of the indigenous people of Biafra agitators. Yerima said Nigeria Army troops in a bid to ensure the return of socio-economic activities which were hitherto hampered by activities of bandits and other criminal elements. One division NA in conjunction with personnel of Nigeria Police, Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps as well as local vigilantes and hunters embarked on a special joint clearance operation in Fagot Forest and other flash points in Kano State. The clearance operation, which is still ongoing, is geared towards complementing the efforts of the standby troops at forward operating base Fago, with the ultimate aim of making sure that the bandit kidnappers and other criminal elements from neighboring states do not infiltrate into the forest and any other part of Kano State to carry out their nefarious activities. Consequently, we wish to reassure the good people of Kano State of the safety of their lives and property and also urge them to continue to report suspicious movements of strange individuals or groups in their vicinity to the nearest security agency for prompt action. The Nigeria Army, in a close cooperation with all the stakeholders on security, is determined to ensure full return to normalcy in Kano State and other adjoining states in order to enable law-abiding citizens to go about their normal businesses without harassment by criminal elements. Can you hear? They went to search all those places that they used to kidnap, all those information they got that oh, bandits are in this forest and the other. They said they did not see them. Nigeria Army makes no arrest, return empty-handed in major operation against bandits kidnappers in Kano. You can imagine. Hey, but if it is this thing, the SAT, they always see them. You see the hypocrisy of these people? Then they continue to disgrace themselves, embarrass themselves. Of course, Nigerians, when many Nigerians know what is happening, they know exactly what is happening. When you hear about unknown gunmen, you think it is for fun. It's for fun. But if let them go to East now, they will see they will be every day they arrest people and they will be displaying them on social media. How can bandits arrest his fellow bandits? Impossible in the zoology called Nigeria. Okay, you all better be wise or reason that one by yourself. They are the ones that also operate as bandits. It is really a shame that most zoo citizens still don't understand what is going on in the zoo. The military cannot arrest any Fulani bandits or Fulani herdsmen because they are working together. Is it possible to arrest government? You can arrest yourself. Oh. Now today, if it is in the east, they must return with innocent people and burn civilian houses as their camps. God will surely judge all of you demons. When they see a good-looking boys in Owerri, they will arrest them and tag them unknown gunmen. How can the self-proclaimed repentant terrorists conscripted into Nigeria Army arrest other colleagues or fellow terrorists in the bush? That is impossible. With the citizens of a UAR are not surprised at all as they went to discuss with their colleagues. No blame the soldiers. They act on order given to them from above. Very soon soldier will go against the government. How come? How can they arrest them? Don't even know they just went to dialogue with their brothers so that they can have peace of mind that they might not die young. Let's stop deceiving ourselves in the name of saying we deserve our fatherland. Buhari's Fulani apartheid army, how are they going to arrest them? The rules of engagement is different between the north and south, especially southeast. The north is usually pleading, persuasive, ransom payments and amnesty. The southeast is iron hand, invasion and extrajudicial killings. the language they will understand. But many IPOB and ESN terrorists were captured forced to swim inside more mud water, and many ran with bullet wounds. Is it not what Sahara Reporter is trying to insinuate? Let it be. It's also a success. Okay. Is Kano State the Sambisa forest where they should go? So many drama in the jungle called Nigeria. You mean they should arrest government and nonsense presidency humble servants? You are not serious. And no house was burnt. Can't we see that these bandits is another arm of APC government? Of course it is. It is. They said they went there, they combed everywhere, they didn't see them. They came out empty-handed, no arrests, nothing, nothing. This is the kind of report that makes police and other security agencies to arrest innocent people in place of actual suspects. If they go out but couldn't arrest the bandits or kidnappers, should they just be arresting innocent people at random to please you? You can imagine this one. Tell us about a Southeast. Okay. I'm telling you, these people want to change the narrative. That is the narrative they are changing. Very soon, you will not be hearing anything like Boko Haram, and you'll be hearing unknown gunmen. They have transferred them to the south. You know the reports that came from the US talking about how ISIS will be infiltrating south very soon. And somebody say, which soon? They are already there. They are already there. They want to shift the attention. They want to shift the focus. They know what they are doing. And that is why they will tell you, oh, is it the region that wants to produce government? Is it the Southeast that they say they want to produce a president with all these things happening among them? You see how unreasonable they are. And some, in fact, even when you see the vice president, even being working under somebody who is not even a school sat a holder, and you'll be surprised. Why would you be surprised that those who are supposed to reason where they are thinking otherwise, you are seeing all of these things and you think everything is fine, and they will want you to swallow it? Hi. Oh my God. Went inside the forest to search for bandits but came empty-handed without any arrest. Kano is the center of peace, the reason why security agency will back empty hand. Kano is peaceful state. Is a peaceful state. Therefore, there's no bandits and kidnappers in Kano. We thank God for that. So our reporters should go to Southeast and give us reports of what is happening there. You see them? Nama everywhere. Scrap. They are scrap. You are a really malu. You just mentioning Kano. What about Kaduna? Can you imagine? Are you saying your governor lied? Okay. Say my name Gandula. Okay. The Southeasterners are only defending their land from terrorist Fulani herdsmen. What about Kebbi Zamfara? Who told you? They will still go there. They will tell you they didn't see anything. They didn't see anything. So who were the people who kidnapped this thing? Who have been kidnapping a student for 2 months? The students of technology, or what they call this, mechanization, or what do they call them? For 2 months they were there. The what is it so called? The school, this Greenfield school, the same thing. Hey, you see how they can turn things? No bandits in Kano State. Kano is a peaceful place. Oh my goodness. Koro lie like this, and they are telling you, and they expect everybody to swallow that.